Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and I'm one half of Not Your Mom's Greens. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this tasty almond eggnog here, and we added a little bit of spice to it, a little bit of brandy, so we got a dirty version coming to you if you're 21 and over. So if you guys are ready, let's get to this video. Okay, so for today's dirty nog, you're only going to need a few things. So the first is an almond nog of your choice. I've got Califia Farms here today. We tried this in our Thanksgiving options videos. If you haven't seen that, check it out. I'll leave it up in the cards because those options will also be great for Christmas too. So I'm using this. If you guys seen that video, I did say that was a little thin, but it did inspire me to want to go ahead and add some ways to spice it up a bit. So I'm also going to be adding the So Delicious Vanilla Bean Coconut Milk Ice Cream. This was about $6 at Whole Foods. Again, use whatever ice cream works for you, whatever dairy-free options. There are a lot of brands out on the market. And then I got this 365 oat-based whipping topping. This is vegan. I picked it up from Whole Foods. They also have a ready whip vegan version, I believe. So if you're not going to Whole Foods, look for that at the store. And then to make it dirty, I've got a little bit of brandy. I would also use rum as a backup. This is just what I had available to me right now. And then I have some ground cinnamon, which I'm going to use for the topping. So let's get to blending. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a cup of this almond nog. Throw that in the blender. So I'm going to go ahead and add a scoop of this ice cream. Actually, I'm going to add like 2 to 3 scoops. This ice cream is really hard to scoop. It's really hard coconut milk. So I had to kind of break it into chunks. So I'm adding about 3 scoops of that ice cream. Okay, now here's time for the alcohol. Only if you're 21 and up. And also, I'm just going to measure this by eye. I would say about a shot's worth of brandy. Okay, that should be good enough. We're not trying to get like too messed up here, guys. Okay, and now we're just going to blend. You don't need anything super high powered, just your basic blender is fine. I'm going to go ahead and do the whip setting. Okay, now it's time to pour. But we're not done yet. I'm gonna go ahead and add my oat-based whipped topping. Oh shit. Let me shake this up. Oh my god. There we go. And for a little extra kick, I'm gonna throw some cinnamon on here. Oh, it looks so pretty. And now it's time for the taste test. Okay everyone, it is the moment you've all been waiting for. It is time for the taste test. That is really good. This might get you fucked up at Christmas, but it is delicious, guys. This is the perfect, simple, quick and easy holiday dessert. So if you guys like it, let me know in the comment down below. And if you're in the Chattanooga area, be sure to send us an email. I'm going to put our email in the description down below. We do make meal plans, so if there's anything that you want us to dream up for you, whether that be a dirty nog or a salad for work, we can make it happen. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel grow. And also be sure to subscribe if you aren't already and hit that notification bell so those notifications come right to your phone. Peace. See you in the next one.